Cat's claw has been shown to increase brain-derived neurotropic factor, to fight inflammation and free radical damage, repair DNA, alleviate depression, and improve cognition and focus. It's a South American vine used as a nootropic with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, and it supports DNA repair, immune function, and normal cell division. For cognitive health, cat's claw has been used to prevent inflammation, to promote cerebral circulation, fight amyloid plaque in Alzheimer's, and possibly even boost acetylcholine levels. It's a member of the plant family Rubiaceae, the genus Uncaria, and it consists of at least 34 different species found in tropical forests in Southeast Asia, Africa, Central and South America. When choosing a cat's claw supplement, you should know there's at least 12 different unrelated herbs that can be marketed as cat's claw. The two South American species, Uncaria genarius, a lower altitude shrub, and Uncaria tomentosa, a higher altitude woody vine, are found particularly in Peru. The root and the inner bark and the stalk of the Uncaria tomentosa contains 30 known constituents, including at least 17 alkaloids, along with a number of other compounds. Researchers first thought it was the oxanidol alkaloids that provide the cat's claw's health benefits. Research shows cat's claw boosts brain-derived neurotropic factor. It tames NMDA activity, and it repairs damaged DNA, promoting an environment in the hippocampus for neurogenesis, which is essential for learning, memory, and mood. Low brain-derived neurotropic factor can lead to major depression, OCD, schizophrenia, and dementia. Cat's claw is a powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory. Cat's claw protects your brain from inflammation and damage from free radicals. Chronic inflammation has been linked to depression and dementia. Cat's claw also reduces the formation of plaques that are associated with Alzheimer's disease. Cat's claw boosts tryptophan levels, and this increases serotonin and can provide a calming effect. The cat's claw affects the serotonin 5-HT2 receptor, and this helps to alleviate pain. Cat's claw has been used medicinally by tribes of Peru for at least 2,000 years. It was used for everything from asthma to urinary tract infections to cancer. It's rich in phytochemicals, alkaloids, glycosides, tannins, flavonoids, sterol fractions, and other compounds. It's been shown to decrease inflammation of arthritis, prevent DNA damage, reduce free radical damage, reduce cancer, control pain through serotonin receptors, and more. Cat's claw and its extracts have been used to treat arthritis, asthma, chronic inflammation, immune disorders, pain, wound healing, and tumours. Some of the more recent research has focused on the cognitive benefits of cat's claw and using cat's claw to protect brain function and cognition. One study has demonstrated an extract of cat's claw could enhance DNA repair in the brain. Another study showed cat's claw. It boosted tryptophan levels, and this could have a profound effect on serotonin and mood. Dozens of other studies have shown cat's claw possesses antioxidant properties, anti-inflammatory, and it's an immune modulator, anti-tumour, anti-hypertensive, as well as it prevents strokes. Cat's claw extract can help with learning and memory in healthy as well as a damaged brain. Research has shown certain alkaloids extracted in the cat's claw can repair brain cells that are damaged by a stroke or dysfunction of the acetylcholine receptors. The cat's claw alkaloid rin-corpoline is an NMDA antagonist, selectively restricting the NMDA receptor, and this helps to tone down hyperactivity and overstimulation, and it provides a calm mind for clear cognition and learning. Chronic stress, anxiety, and free radicals damage your brain. This damage can manifest in several ways, including memory loss, brain fog, anxiety, depression, and even neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Chronic stress reduces memory. Free radicals kill brain cells. Neuroplasticity declines, degrading long-term potentiation. brain-derived neurotropic factor declines, and NMDA receptors are overactive. Under conditions of chronic stress or depression caused by everyday living or chronic pain, your brain loses the capacity to transmit signals between the neurons efficiently. Memory, cognition, and decision-making all suffer as a result. Research from hundreds of studies has shown cat's claw and its extracts enhance DNA repair. They have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, relieves pain through the influence on the serotonin receptors, enhances DNA repair, boosts the immune health, and suppresses tumor proliferation. It protects against damage from a stroke. It improves memory and cognition. It restores the availability of acetylcholine, improves cerebral circulation, reduces stress, helps to repair brain cells, and eliminates free radicals from within the brain cells. Cat's claw is a potent anti-inflammatory and an immune booster. Most users report a dramatic decrease in arthritis and joint pain. Cat's claw has a reputation for reducing the symptoms of Lyme disease and Crohn's disease. Most who use cat's claw regularly report they don't get sick as often, they experience less pain, and they have an easier time getting to sleep and sleeping through the night. Some users say the cat's claw relieves an overactive mind. It can calm racing thoughts and make it easier to focus. Cat's claw has been reported to restore memory, both in the lab and also in user reports. One method of increasing memory with cat's claw could be through its promotion of the long-term potentiation. Rin-corpoline, the alkaloid isolated from cat's claw, has long been recommended for the treatment of diseases of the central nervous system. Researchers in China investigated using this ingredient in stroke victims. Rats were injected with rin-corpoline once a day for 4 consecutive days before surgery, and then one more injection after the surgery. The surgery created a stroke in the rats by severing a middle artery in the brain. The team found the rin-corpoline prevented the brain damage from a stroke while increasing brain-derived neurotropic factor expression. The cat's claw extract also activated certain mTOR signaling pathways, and these are necessary for long-term potentiation. Long-term potentiation is the strengthening of synapses between neurons, which is one of the major mechanisms in the brain behind learning and memory. Cat's claw has traditionally been used by indigenous cultures in South America and other parts of the world to treat cancer. Austrian researchers used cat's claw extracts on human leukemia T cells in the lab. 4 of the 5 extracts not only stopped cancer cell growth, but killed the cancer cells outright. Another US research team found the cat's claw had the ability to regulate immune system cytokines, and this helps your body to defend against cancer. An Italian study investigated using cat's claw extract on breast cancer. The researchers found the cat's claw prevented the growth of 90% of breast cancer cells in the lab. A research team in Mexico found the cat's claw extract stopped WNT signaling activity in cancer cells. This pathway is implicated in glioblastoma, the most common and most aggressive cancer that occurs in the brain. Researchers in Sweden have used extracts of cat's claw in rats and men. Rats were given doses of 0, 5, 10, 20, 40, and 80 milligrams of a cat's claw extract per kg body weight for 8 consecutive weeks. White blood cell counts in the 40 and 80 milligram treatment group were significantly elevated over the controls. In male volunteers, healthy men were given 5 milligrams of cat's claw extract per kg of body weight for 6 consecutive weeks. Again, white blood cell count was significantly elevated in these volunteers. The researchers also found DNA repair had a significant boost by the cat's claw extract after whole body irradiation in the rats. A second study by the same research group used an extract with 12 healthy men. The volunteers received either 250 milligrams of the extract, 350 mg of the extract or placebo every day for 8 weeks. Hydrogen peroxide was used to induce DNA damage in the men. Both extracts provided a significant increase in DNA repair compared to the controls who received a placebo. Cat's claw is well tolerated by most and considered non-toxic. The recommended dose is one 100 mg capsule per day for arthritis and one 250 to 350 mg per day for cognitive and immune support. Standardized cat's claw vine or root bark extracts usually contain around 3% alkaloids and 15% phenols. Don't mistake Uncaria tomentosa for Uncaria guiensis, which is another type of cat's claw from the Amazon basin. The Uncaria guiensis has a much lower alkaloid content. Side effects are rare with cat's claw, but they can include diarrhea, dizziness, and nausea. Those with autoimmune disease, skin grafts, tuberculosis, or receiving organ transplants should not use cat's claw because of its effects on the immune system. Cat's claw can stimulate the immune system, and this can counteract any medication that you're using to suppress it. Cat's claw is known for lowering blood pressure, so if you have an issue with low blood pressure or you're on high blood pressure medication, you shouldn't use cat's claw. Cat's claw can increase the risk of bleeding, so you shouldn't take this herb if you have a bleeding disorder, if you're on blood thinners, or you're planning on surgery. Cat's claw is most commonly used as an anti-inflammatory and immune system booster. It's especially helpful for people dealing with the symptoms of Lyme and Crohn's disease, and for people dealing with arthritis, joint pain, or carpal tunnel syndrome. AC11 extract is often used for the brain for its cognitive support, and doses of this are 350 mg per day. It can improve your mood and your memory, and can protect your brain from free radicals and the toxins they're exposed to every day. It has the potential to keep you mentally sharp for life, and it can help to reduce stress and anxiety. For more information about herbs, supplements, and natural treatment plans, check out my website.